MMD PowerPro Generators. This video is designed to give you a basic overview of MMD's PowerPro Generator. The common functions are explained here to help you understand the basic operation of the MMD PowerPro series. MMD PowerPro generators are designed to be durable and portable. Power that's tough, yet quiet. With a range from 25 kVA up to 150 kVA, MMD generators can handle a variety of jobs from entertainment to industrial to oil and gas applications. Let's take a closer look at the MMD PowerPro. Starting at the back control panel, all MMD generators feature a direct diagnostic light system. Items highlighted in red are critical alerts. Items highlighted in yellow are for warning and information. The rotating start switch has two positions. Run will allow the generator to power up and turn on the self-priming pump if needed to reprime the engine. Turning the switch to start will start the generator set, and the switch will return to the run position once you let go. There is also an engine high-low speed switch. Useful for letting an engine warm up in cooler weather, this switch should be on low for a few minutes before moving to high. Please note, the generator power system will not allow you to energize power while the switch is in the low position. All PowerPro generators come standard with analog gauges. The tachometer will show engine RPM as well as displaying the current runtime hour meter. The fuel gauge shows the current fuel level in the onboard fuel tank. Analog oil pressure as well as water temperature gauges provide information on engine health. The ammeter will show you if the battery is charging. Moving to the power side, all units are equipped with analog gauges for direct readout of hertz or frequency, voltage output, and amperage draw. Below the meters is a voltage adjustment knob. This will allow you to make small voltage adjustments based on that particular need. Besides this is the current selector switch. This switch is used to show the amperage draw for a particular phase. In low light conditions, we have included a panel light which will illuminate the back panel for ease of operation. The main circuit breaker is on the far right. Power is not energized until this is flipped up. As part of the MMD safety system, an emergency stop button is located in the main panel and outside of any doors. To activate, simply push in. To disengage, you must rotate the switch until it pops out. A quick reference guide is located on the main panel below the starting switch. On the inside door of the back panel are the operator manuals and other important paperwork. Moving to the right side of the generator, we have the main voltage selector switch. Three positions are available: 277 480 volt, 139 240 volt, and 120 240 volt single phase. This switch is lockable to prevent accidental changing of the operating voltage. Please note the caution decal. Do not switch voltage while the unit is running. The main lug panel is located below the voltage selector switch and is covered by a clear plexiglass panel. Wiring diagrams are printed on this panel to ensure proper hookup. The lug points will accept a variety of cabling up to 4/0. For additional safety, the power cables are fed to the lugs through the accessory panel located below the lug panel and exits to the outside. Also inside the accessory panels are the convenience outlets. There are two 20-amp GFCI protected outlets along with three 50-amp 120 240 volt single-phase twist lock connectors. Each receptacle is protected with its own circuit breaker. As an optional accessory, MMD can install a cam lock panel in the provided knockout panel located below the accessory outlets. All MMD PowerPro generators feature auto start contacts for hookup to auto transfer switches or other means available to remotely start the genset. There are also provisions for other accessories such as external battery chargers and block heaters. Moving to the next door is the diesel fuel fill location identified by the proper decals. By placing the fuel fill inside, the entire door can be locked to reduce vandalism and fuel theft. There is also an engine oil drain with a drain port located on the outside frame of the engine. Once a hose is attached, the inside valve can be opened, allowing easy oil draining without creating a mess inside the engine compartment. Another standard feature is our switchable internal-external fuel supply system. By moving the internal valve control, you can choose to run the generator on the internal fuel tank or, when connected to an external fuel tank, operate for extended runtimes without daily refueling. All MMD generators are good for a minimum 24-hour runtime on the internal fuel tank. When it comes to the main power source, all MMD generators are equipped with tile alternators, which feature delta demand circuitry for motor starting and Class F winding insulation. The delta demand system automatically adjusts voltage output instantly when varying loads are applied to the generator. As mentioned earlier, all MMD generators have electric fuel pumps. Should you run your unit out of fuel, turn the genset off to save the battery, have it refueled, then turn the key to run. After 3 minutes, it will be safe to restart the unit and have it run normally. Finally, all MMD generators equipped for mobile use come standard with the Links-Right trailer. These trailers feature LED taillights for increased visibility and long-term reliability, quarter-inch powder-coated steel frames, and surge brakes. Electric brakes can be added as an option. We hope you've enjoyed this overview of the MMD PowerPro Generator. For more information, please contact your MMD representative. MMD, Leadership Through Innovation.